Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making pizza, and yeah, it's going to be really nice, it's going to be really easy, and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, my mom's gonna be helping me in certain things on the pizza because I know. So yeah, but she doesn't want to show her face. She's shy. I'm joking, but yeah, she really does not want to show her face. But I hope you enjoyed the video and remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah.
So I'm adding my yeast to a cup of warm water. Then I'll add my sugar, and then I'll add my flour. And you can add a pinch of salt to this, and yeah, it would be alright.
You can't use that to mix. It's not possible.
But I didn't think it would be this bad.
If you don't have any yeast, that's alright. You can always add baking powder to your mix, and that should be fine. All I'm doing is just mixing, and then I'm going to add my butter to it. And do not be tempted to add water to it, even though like it should be a little bit sticky, but it shouldn't be very like soft. Basically, it should be sticky but also firm, if that makes sense. Decide to put this in a bowl and keep it in one place for like 2 hours so it can rise or something, but I wasn't going to do that because I don't know, it's just long, and it still turned out great even without doing all of that, allowing it to rise and everything. So yeah.
You don't have to be turning the case since you've done the first time.
So I'm basically making it into like a circle, like the shape of the pan that I'm going to put it on. But obviously, if you can do a perfect circle, good for you, well done, go for it. But I didn't do that because, you know, I didn't want to intimidate you guys.
Skills.
So.
Skills. This one's a little bit.
So I actually made this barbecue sauce myself. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, the link to my Instagram account will be in the description box below.
But it's not spicy at all.
Yeah, the pizza that we're buying is spicy. What is your Yoruba pizza? What's the new pizza that was spicy? Girl. What did you add?
It's just normal this thing.
Huh?
No.
So you can just add any toppings of your choice. This is what I normally like on my pizza, so that's what I'm adding. And I didn't want to add onions because I just wanted something without onions. But I would normally add onions because it's great. And then just put it in the oven for, I think I left it in the oven for like 28 minutes, and which was at 150 degrees. So yeah. So this is what it looked like after 28 minutes, guys. It was lovely. I loved the pizza. I'm telling you, I have made the pizza 3 times after this. I've made it 3 times after this. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.